Number 12, technical foul. Official score 57-45. Basket 58-45 official score.
Kaya mas maganda sana vlog lang sa gitna. Alis na to.
What is that?
Kasi tiling ko sa sunod yung sila.
What is it?
Kalimutan niya kung sino yung may ano ng Bulacan. Tawag ng technical foul. Okay. 4.7 seconds remaining.
4 seconds, 4 seconds, 4 seconds.
Foul. Number 29, third personal foul.
Sige, bigyan mo ka jump. Gira! Gira! Bro, 53.
51. Score 63-51. Second shot lang. Judge. Hey! Basket.
So, pa-check na ako ng ano, pa-check na ako ng photo. magkasunod eh. Oras! Pakicheck mo ng puntos bro. Nakadalawang stress kami ng sunod eh.
Yeah, bakit 53-63 pa?
Dalawang stress kami magkasunod.
Tama yan.
41 sa kanay.
Dalawang magkasunod kami stress eh.
41 sa kanay. Dalawa magasunod.
Si Robby naka 3.
Robby, 3. Si Rob.
Okay.
Hindi, yung sa inyo tama yung score, yung sa amin ang...
Bakit yun? 53 pa rin, 10? Ha? Ba't 10 pa rin?
Tama po yung score. Tama yan.
7-8 kay Jobs eh. Walo eh. Siyam.
Number 20 na. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 12 foul. Third personal foul. Substitution.
Mag-hesitate. Gina, balik.
Number 6. 67-61. Remaining time 4 minutes. Sub.
Bro, time out kami ah. Yan na.
Time out. 10 seconds shot clock. 69-63. 69-63. Score. Robbie for 3. Short. Rebound. Sian. Bang. 3 points. 69-66. Tatlo. Last 3 minutes. First thing.
Halang. 14 sa clock, 40. Sa clock, 40.
Shot clock 14. Okay, substitution. Number 7. 57. Third team foul. Yes. 70-66. Relax lang. Konting respeto lang din po sa amin sa referee natin.
Telling me about area, that's not yours.
Relax na sir, relax na sir.
Sa play, dalawang free.
Hindi.
Hindi ba tinatawag nila?
Dito, dito lang, dito. Dito, kabila.
You should be the one calling that. She was there. Not you, you are here. You're telling me about area, right?
Tama na sir, kasi lalo umiinit yung mga players mo.
We can't do anything about it. You're always right. I'm stupid. And hey, he's even out of the court. He's not in the court anymore. And it's not for you to call. It should be her. It should be her. Call. What? Huh? one more thing. You're the one who called, not her. That's her area. You called for a foul to her. That's her area. You're here. That's there. Why are you the one calling it? You're here. Huh? No, he keeps telling me about the area. He keeps telling me about the area. No, that's not your area.
Sir, relax na sir. Eric.
I want to hear. Why did you not call? Why did you call? I want to have your.
Okay. Reference decision.
But why did he call? Why did he call?
Kasi hindi nga niya nakita.
Wrong eh. Kasi may sinasabi siya na about area. You keep telling me that.
Dalawa lang siya eh. Isa hindi nakakatawag.
Hindi kasi hindi ganyan yan bro. Hindi ganyan kasi ganyan yung explanation niya sa akin eh. Marami siyang ganyan na sinasabi na dapat area lang. Hindi niya kasi area yun eh. Tumawag siya.
Kasi sabi,
Ay kasi kaya. Kahit nakaharap yun bro. Kasi marami tao naman eh. Technical.
No technical, only foul. No technical, only foul. Huwag na lang kayo lang. Para masabi natin, di tayo matapos dito eh. Okay.
Hindi kailangan makuha yung ano.
Sir, okay. Captain Ball ka, sir? Captain Ball ka?
Ano ako, team charge ako. Team charge ako. Nabang charge ako dito. Kailangan makuha yung kaso. Madali rin kami kausap. Madali akong kausap. Sabihan nyo lang ako, ano bang bakit normal foul lang? Bakit normal foul lang? Technical na tinawag ng referee, bababa. Ano to, bentalo na rin?
No, sir. The technical foul. You warning him there. Not technical.
The other referee call technical ah.
No, that one only
Oh,
one.
anong desisyon? Sige.
only foul.
Only foul, tapos ball possession kami.
Kasi foul yung ano eh.
What's that?
Foul sila ngayon foul. So, gulan yun.
Hindi nga.
Free throw nga.
So, bago pala yung tawag na, sige, payag kami. So, bago pala yung tawag ng referee yan. Bentalo.
Hindi, foul na.
Technical kasi yung tawag, brother eh. Technical plus ball possession kami. Wala sa ano, papayag pa kasi.
Two free throws, hindi ball position kasi foul.
Hindi nga, tawag nga ng technical eh.
Wala na. Sige. Okay na.
Parang wala kang makapi. Ito na yung pwede. Parang what's your call?
Technical lang. Technical. Bakit ano? Bakit?
Ano yun lang? Ay, matapos dito.
Bakit masama ka natin ha?
Hey, lahat ng players, balik sa bench.
Langaway.
Lahat ng players, balik sa bench.
Laro lang.
Pinag-explain ko kasi.
Sino yun? Back to the bench. Lahat ng players.
Ayaw problema. Sir, no more.
Hey, ito, number 17, sir. Relax na, sir. Kaya pinagatan kalma nga namin dito eh. Kaya relax lang din kayo. Huwag kayong magkakagulo kayo dito kung...
Ang problema kasi sir, tumawag na yung referee.
Hindi. Balik lahat sa bench. Balik lahat. Yung captain ball lang o yung team in charge pumunta dito. Balik, upo lahat.
Sino sa kabila? Sino sa kabila?
Yung team in charge lang o kaya captain ball lang ano dito. Wala pwede yung players. Balik sa bench. Okay, relax lang sir, relax lang.
Tatanong lang ako. Bakit dapat may iba yung tawag? Yun lang naman eh.
Ang ano na lang yung foul lang.
Hindi kasi tumawag sa tip nito. Huwag mo kami i-disregard. Yun naman sinasabi namin.
Kaya yun na yung pinag-aan natin. Wala na yung pinag-aan natin. Technical, may technical, pero players. Foul ang tawag dito. Wala. 2 shots.
2 free throws. Back to the game. Okay. Okay. 2 free throws. Personal foul. Wala, ayun na tumunog. No technical, only 2 free throws. Score 71-66.
Jump.
Rebound. Remaining time 2 minutes and 19 seconds. 2 minutes 19. Seventy-two, 66. Number 31, pushing. Warning by penalty. Third personal foul.
Go back to the line here. Go back to your seat. Sit properly. No, hindi lagi. Go back.
Lahat ng players sa bench.
Ayaw contact ni Go Foul.
Warning on both teams ha. Yung mga players na nasa gilid. Eight seconds shot clock. Foul. Penalty. Number 9. Foul number 9. 1 minute 48 seconds. Score 72-66. Nice. 3 points. 73-69. 1 minute 30 seconds. 15 seconds shot. 8 seconds. .8 seconds shot clock. 28 seconds. 28 seconds shot clock. Nay.
Point 8! What is that, point 8?
Wait.
Point 8! Point... Hindi,
Point
point 8
eight.
seconds eh.
0.8 seconds.
Point 8 seconds.
Solar
naka-recall.
basket, 0.8 seconds.
Bakit ganyan naman sa ano ba yan? Tawag ka delivery counting dun!
Wait.
Point 8 seconds.
0.8 seconds.
Point 8 seconds.
2 passes ha? 2 passes!
No. Point 8 seconds. Kasi hindi nag-triple pa yun, bro. Triple eh. Point 8 seconds.
Is it? Does it hit the ring?
I-check mo yung video kung tumama ba sa ring before.